Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by defining the tunnel portal and structural footprint. Start cutting the baseboard opening now so the rails keep alignment, measure twice, and mark clearance. Once cut, attach a rigid subframe under the aperture to support the portal weight, because lightweight board will sag. Next, bond a foam core sheet to the subframe using PVA then hot melt for instant hold. Make sure to test fit the locomotive now, so you can correct alignment before you add scenery layers. You now shape the tunnel interior and external shell. Carve the foam arch in small steps so the curve matches clearances. Avoid undercuts that catch rolling stock. Once shaped, fix fiberglass or metal mesh over the foam and apply plaster bandage in overlapping layers. This gives structural rigidity and a realistic rock face once textured. While the plaster is still damp, press tools in to scribe rock patterns, because damp plaster holds detail better. Make sure to let the shell cure fully before painting or ballast work. You finish by painting and blending the portal into surrounding scenery. Start with a dark base coat inside the tunnel, then dry brush layered earth tones outward to create depth. Use washes to settle into crevices. Install a thin foam insulation strip behind the portal to reduce noise and prevent sparks from contacting scenery. Finally, test run every locomotive at speed increments. If a derailment or rubbing occurs, stop, remeasure clearance, then shave or add shims to the portal. This correction solves most fit issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.